What is the intersection of a column and a row on a worksheet called? Answer D. Cell. What type of chart is useful for comparing values over categories? Answer B. Column chart. How many sheets are there by default when we create a new Excel file? Answer B. 3. In Excel, which one denote a range from B1 through E5? Answer B. B1 dots E5. An Excel file is generally called an answer C. Workbook. It is a collection of data that is stored electronically as a series of records in a table. Answer C. Database. What type of chart will you use to compare performance of sales of two products? Answer A. Column chart. Which function Excel tells how many numeric entries are there? Answer B. Count. A features that display only the data in columns according to specified criteria. Answer C. Filtering. Statistical calculations and preparation of tables and graphs can be done using. Answer B. Excel. What type of chart will you use to compare performance of two employees in the year 2016? Answer B. Line chart. Which one is not a function in MX Excel? Answer B. Average. Functions in MX Excel must begin with. Answer B. An equal sign. Which function Excel checks whether a condition is true or not? Answer C. If. In Excel, columns are labeled as dash. Answer A. A, B, C, etc. The greater than sign is an example of dash operator. Answer B. Logical. What type of chart is useful for showing trends or changes over time? Answer C. Line chart. The process of arranging the items of a column in some sequence or order is known as. Answer C. Sorting. The dash feature of MX Excel quickly completes a series of data. Answer B. Autofill. What type of chart is useful for comparing parts of a whole? Answer A. Pie chart. In Excel, rows are labeled as dash. Answer B. 1, 2, 3, etc. What do you use to create a chart? Answer D. Chart wizard. How will you graphically represent expenditure in different departments? Answer C. Pie chart. What type of chart is good for single series of data? Answer C. Pie chart. The basic unit of a worksheet into which you enter data in Excel is called a. Answer A. Cell.